Remember that crazy Flipkart Big Billion Days deal I posted a short about 2 years ago? A massive 55-inch QLED TV for just 11,800 rupees? A lot of you in the comments were skeptical, asking if it was a scam or if it would even get delivered. Well, it arrived in perfect condition, and today I'm giving you the full update. The build quality felt surprisingly solid. Setting up the Google TV interface was a breeze, pairing the remote was seamless, and within minutes, we were connected and ready to go. For just 11,800 rupees, I was honestly blown away. The 4K QLED panel looks absolutely stunning, and as you can see from this 4K animal footage, the details are crisp, sharp, and vibrant. It completely transformed the living room. But the biggest question everyone had on that short was, will it even last? Fast forward to today, exactly 2 years later, and it is still going strong. No dead pixels, the interface is still responsive, and it handles everything from YouTube to live streaming without breaking a sweat. It turned out to be the absolute best 11,800 rupees I've ever spent. Did any of you manage to snag a crazy deal like this? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.